How to hide GCash from phone thieves. When your phone is stolen, your priority is to secure GCash account immediately. You can block your GCash account and your SIM card by contacting your service providers from another device. So immediately after your phone is stolen, your fastest course of action is to contact both GCash and your mobile network provider from another phone or number. To do this, just open your browser and type in GCash support number. When you do that, you'll find their call our hotline option, and you can directly call their given numbers over here and let them know about it. You can block your GCash account by visiting the GCash Help Center or calling them, or so on. Now you can also block your SIM card by contacting your carrier or network provider to block your SIM card. Blocking the SIM prevents a thief from intercepting security codes sent via SMS. And this way you can hide your GCash from phone thieves and lock the SIM card as well as also the GCash service. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.